How to check hidden folders in Windows 10. So here is your taskbar and you have to click the File Explorer and locate the folder you want to hide. At first you need to hide your folder because it's the process. So here's our folder and click the view button. When you will click the view button, you will see all these things, and from here you can see the hidden items is clicked on. So we will turn it off and click your folder, then hide it. So now you can see your folder is hidden. If you click this, you can see your folder. This process is very simple.